Hi students, in this video we'll discuss our fifth lab program, that is implementation of electricity bill. How to calculate an electricity bill? This is the question. And the electricity board charges the following rates for the use of electricity. For the first 200 units, 80 paisa per unit. For the next 100. For the first 200 it is 80. The next 100, that is if the total units consumed is 300, for the first 200 it is 80 paisa and the next 100 it is 90 paisa. Beyond 300 units, 1 rupee. All users are charged with the minimum charge of rupees 100. If the total amount is more than 400, then an additional surcharge of rupees 15% of the total amount is charged. Write a program to read the name of the user, number of units consumed and print out the charges. So here I'm using this stdio.header file and libheader file. And according to the question, I am supposed to read the name of the user. I have to read the name of the user and I have to print it. So here I am using a name array. Array size I have taken as 30 and the array name I have taken as name, and the data type of this array I have taken as character. And units, it is an integer value. And minimum charge of 100 I have to charge every user, that is also integer data type. And remaining slabs, right, I have 3 slabs according to the question. Till first 280 paisa, next 100 it is 90 paisa, that is if units consumed is 300, first 200 it is 80 paisa, next 100 it is 90 paisa, and beyond 300 it is 1 rupee. 3 slabs I have. These 3 slabs I have taken slab 1, slab 2, slab 3, and I have taken as the data type as double. Right, double and 80 paisa, 90 paisa, 1 rupee. And what is this surcharge? Surcharge if the total amount is more than 400. Total bill amount if it is more than 400, I have to take a surcharge of 15% of the total amount. In the total amount, 15%. So 15%. And bill amount also I use the data type as double data type. And read the customer name as it is a character array. It is %yes. I should not use any ampersand here. Enter the number of units consumed. Units, it is integer data type, so it is %d ampersand units. If units is less than 200, right, if it is less than 200, as you know, my first slab 80%, 80 paisa, right. So units into slab 1, but every user they are having the min charge. So bill amount will be min charge plus units into slab 1. Slab 1 is 80 paisa. Next, if units, if it is greater than 200 and less than 300, you know, if it goes beyond 300, for every unit I should charge 1 rupee. If it is greater than 200 and less than 300 means for the first 200 units it is 80 paisa. Right, so first 200 units, slab 1, and remaining balance unit. Now my range is more than 200, less than 300. So this remaining, how to calculate from the total units? If I subtract the 200, first 200, I'll get the remaining. Right, so total units minus 200, I'll get the remaining. This units should be multiplied with slab 2. Right, if my units consumed, if it is in this range, else bill amount will be minimum charge, that is it goes to the third slab, it is more than 300. So more than 300 means first 200 it is 80 paisa, next 100 it is 90 paisa, and more above 300, that units above 300 will be charged 1 rupee. Right, so first 200 slab 1 next 100 slab 2, and the remaining units minus 300, because 200 plus 100, 300, it is calculated already. So this total units minus this 300 will be charged with slab 3, that is 1 rupee per unit. And here it is not units, it is total amount. Total bill amount, if it is greater than 400, my bill amount will be charged with 15% of bill amount. That is surcharge. Surcharge, according to the question, it is 15%. Right? So this is just mathematics. You have to use this if-else statement, and you have to add the slabs according to the units consumed. And at last you print the name of the customer, units consumed, and the total bill amount. We can see the execution. Yes, students, we can see the execution of our electricity bill program. I have typed the program. Yeah, you can run it, execute it. You can give any customer name. And the units consumed, I'll take 200. That is 200 means 200 into 80 paisa. It is exactly 200, right? So it comes in the first slab. 160 rupees you will get, plus the minimum charge 100. Total will be 260. Yeah, I'll give one more. Suppose if my units consumed is 450, it is more than 300, right? Sorry, that should be customer name, right? Units consumed, this is the bill amount, right? So first 200 units, it will be 80 paise, next 190 paise, above it 1 rupee, plus minimum charge 100, plus that 15% surcharge will be calculated, since unit consumed is 450, right? So thank you.